Had like a lot of personal experience with social care, and I used to work for supported living, supporting people with learning disabilities to live independently, and it just felt like the next natural step into social work.
So you're a social worker. What does that actually involve?
Pretty much everything you can think of. Social work is so varied. It goes from adults, people with learning disabilities, complex needs, children. I specifically work in adults, so that ranges from helping people with care and support, and also helping people who lack mental capacity, undertaking all kinds of assessments. Every case is so different, it's so varied.
What do you like about your job?
No 2 days are ever the same. It's probably the most rewarding job you can have. The feedback from people, even the difficult days, are really rewarding. Nothing's ever the same, no cases are the same, no people are the same. You get to work with great professionals, great individuals, you have great colleagues. Everything's just so challenging about it, but in such a good way. It really pushes you to sort of dig deep into your values and utilise everything that's around you and bring out the best in people.
And what kind of response do you get from service users?
I think it's always going to be mixed. Social work historically is not an easy job, but definitely at the end of every case, I'd like to think we get great responses off people. We've always had great feedback from the public, family, people who use the service, citizens in the community about the difference that we've made, the service that we provide. And in my experience, it's always been really, really, really positive.